Good morning. I wonder, how do you feel it? How did it change you when you balanced your hormones?
It's a small question.
Yeah. It depends on where you are in life and what else is going on.
And how astute you are.
but
Some
for
people
for the other
don't
two
notice
doctors,
anything.
Well, that's what I was wondering. Did it help you?
Oh, dramatically. Yeah. Let me give you the most dramatic example. I've got to get the Fat Jerry pictures up. Pictures of me when I was 50 and I was round.
Round is a shape.
Round is a shape. It's not a good shape for a male. We're supposed to be lean, hard, and angular. But and I was round and soft, tired, depressed, sexless, and generally a perfectly normal midlife American male. I felt really bad. When I started my therapy at 49 or 50, things started to change, and I can show you pictures of me now with a flat belly and hard muscles compared to 49 and 50 when I was soft and round. And the difference is that for the last 28 years, I've had the comprehensive hormone balance of a 25-year-old man. If I eat sensibly, that 25-year-old hormone balance allows me to lose fat. If I exercise, I make muscle. I keep dense bones. I was 6'3.5" tall when I was 20 years old, and I'm 6'3.5" tall at 77. I've lost no height. My bones are strong and thick. My muscles are hard. My skin has good texture. I'm a lot different from the typical 77-year-old man with a 77-year-old man's hormone balance. Having a younger man's hormone balance doesn't make me young, but it does give me significant metabolic advantages over other men.
Right.
That didn't happen over just 1 year.
No, it's 28 years now.
That's right.
I started at 49. The average guy, the hormones start declining at 30.
Yep.
And they come down a little bit every year,
Slowly.
and you adjust.
Correct.
Your concept of normal is fine. How do you feel? Perfectly normal.
Yeah.
Because this is the way I felt yesterday and the day before and the day before.
Right.
As your hormones decline slowly over a 30-year period, you don't notice it.